Hey everyone, every tip I'm about to give comes straight from mechanics working here in the shop, so don't worry, we've got this. If you're driving your Ford EV and suddenly see the message, electrical system drained, service required, your first thought might be, is my whole electric car dying? Relax, it's not the big battery that powers the motor, it's the 12-volt battery, the one that runs lights, screens, sensors, and car modules. When this battery is draining faster than normal, the car triggers the warning. Many mechanics agree that the most common cause is accessories that are always connected, like dash cams, radar detectors, or gadgets plugged into the OBD USB ports. Even when the car is off, these devices can keep drawing power, making the system think, "Alert, someone's draining me." Several mechanics reported that simply unplugging these accessories made the message disappear. Another culprit that comes up a lot is welcome lighting or proximity features. If your fob or phone is near the car and the system keeps activating, the internal modules can't sleep, and the 12-volt battery slowly drains. Many owners solve this by turning off the welcome lights or leaving the fob farther from the car when parking. If the message persists, the 12-volt battery itself may be weak or old. EVs rely on this battery to power electronics and sensors, so if it can't hold enough charge, the car detects it and triggers the alert. Replacing it in time is one of the most effective solutions reported in forums. Some cases also require resetting the 12-volt system modules, which can be done by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 10-30 minutes. Many mechanics say that after this small reset, the modules stop draining energy erratically, and the message disappears, at least temporarily. Finally, if none of this works, it could be a software or control module issue. On some Ford EVs, updates have been released to fix bugs that prevented the modules from going to sleep properly. Several owners report that after a software update or dealer check, the message stopped appearing for good.